Nowadays it's strangers acting like they know me. They get the truth and they just stretch it like a yogi. I watch their motives every time they treading closely. That's how it go in the concrete jungle growing as Mowgli. I don't doze, cause the few times I do sleep, demons trying to steal my soul like they some shoe thieves. Venting and reinventing, then it's the new me. If you knew me,
then you would know I get upset. What happens when they try to see what they can get? And niggas hands on me, but I don't take threats. So when you come for me, let it come correct. What else you get? I'm spilling liquor like forget the last sip. Pulling bitches and they fucking me like this they last dick. Every album I be schooling them another classic. A flow ill, got the whole motherfucking classic.
Paranoid with trust issues like Castro, cause snakes try to latch on right after the grass grow. On that note, leave him in the back road smelling like Sasso. Used to be Ron, but that's old.
They don't wanna see me get it done. They don't wanna see me winning up. Saying what I feel, speaking from the soul. Saying what I feel, speaking from the soul. They don't wanna see me winning up. They don't wanna see me get it done.
Chasing inspiration, a fast pace, my innovation. When faith meets creation, that's history in the making. But I ain't sitting and waiting for it to manifest. I'm working overtime, but they don't understand it yet. Yeah. Still have dreams of seeing my grandmother's face after her energy transferred to another place.
Think of my cousins doing life behind the fucking gates. That's the risk we take when trying to get our money straight.
Can't run away, and there's no need to hide. Wherever I go, I got these demons buried deep inside. Constant combat for my soul. That's why stopping not an option when I'm trying to reach my goals.
They
I ain't
don't wanna
know.
see me get it done. They don't wanna see me winning up. Saying what I feel, speaking from the soul. Saying what I feel, speaking from the soul.